Disaster, absolute disaster. We have a problem. It's dead easy to recreate as well. Start of the journey. We are 7:30 in the morning and Alicante airport. Flight's at 9 o'clock? No, 11 o'clock. Yeah. I am with Jet2, so I'm allowed 2 bags. So I have gone a bit crazy with the amount of stuff that I've taken. But a bit more stuff that I can take means I'm a bit more relaxed. Don't have to worry about packing. Very light, and it's been a scruff for so long. So project will be left for now, and another one will be added. We'll have 3 project cars here. Am I getting out of hand? PP. Right, let's go and get the girls. And leg 1 of the journey. Very tired as a Bella. The mummy, ready to go. Airport, 40 minutes. Let's go. This journey hasn't really started too well. We're only on the way to the airport, and we've already been in one queue of traffic, and we're in another queue of traffic. Honestly, if this is what the next few days has got in store for me, behind the wheel of that Merc, it's going to take me a week to get back. Beeline for the Budweiser bar. Let's go. Airport is really busy today, so finding a quiet spot is not too straightforward. I have got roughly an hour and 45 minutes till takeoff, so we'll probably have another beer and just hang around and land at 1, straight to the garage, pick up the car, and then the plan is to go to Teesside to buy 2 sets of alloy wheels, a set of Skodas and a set of Audis, but obviously they're VAG groups, so they will fit on both. Well, fit on all 4. VWs, Audis, Seats, quite importantly Seat, being in Spain. 18 inches, paying $250 for them, for both sets, and should get 500-600, if not more. Fix them up, obviously. Sitting in the worst place here with the sun right behind me. It's probably the last time I'm going to see the sun for a few days, so make the most of it, stop complaining. Right, next stop, plane to the Wetherspoons. It's actually in Terminal 1, next to the B gates, Alicante Airport. Some muffins, fueled up, ready for the flight. Me coming out of the airport there. Oh, honestly, the guy's sitting next to me, what a prick. He's like still hanging from the night before, probably never slept in ages. And he's just falling asleep and like leaning over, right over the top of me. I'm like, at the beginning I was just like, yeah, you're right on my side there, like, like proper arrogant prick. Anyway, it's beautiful blue sunny skies in Newcastle, surprise. It's going to be a bit of plane, trains and automobiles, because I'm got to go and get 2 trains now to then go and get the Merc. So, can't remember where it is. Been on it years ago, probably like 25 years ago, so I best go and find out. Whatever. I'm on the first metro now. It's been a while since I've been on one of these, like, they're all new as well. There's hardly any seats. It's just like a couple of benches, next part of the journey. Made it off the second train. Come on. It's a little windy, like. Just got the little 10-minute walk now to the garage. It's not far from this metro station, so should get there soon. And then I'm off to Teesside in the new car to buy some alloys. And we're at the garage. I know it says RS, but it's just a coincidence, that is. There's nothing to do with me. Where's my car? Let's go and find it. See if he's got anything else he wants to sell. I didn't buy this car off him. Sometimes he's got stuff. Disaster. Absolute disaster. We have a problem. It's dead easy to recreate as well. It's not fixed. It's a washboard. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I just don't believe it. Hour and a half to the bloody airport, 3 hours in an airport, 3-hour flight, 2 trains, half an hour walk, and I'm now in a car that isn't going to get me back to Spain. And not only that, I've paid for a ferry. It's an absolute, oh my God, it's an absolute nightmare. I spent so much money on this car. This is like, this is literally, just don't know what to do anymore with this car. It's such a nice looking car when you look at it. Obviously there's a little bit of work to do, but it is very poorly. Every setting, manual, sport mode, eco mode, every gear. Jesus Christ. Like that. Just don't know what I do. Sad face. She just bought a BMW. There's a really nice 5 Series estate right behind me. Really winding me up. I want it. It's just, this was the last hurrah, and the way to get money back on this absolute money pit. But now it looks like I've just wasted even more money on a ferry. That, or I'll go and buy another car. My days, this I'm a broken man. I just don't know what to do now. The garage is aware. Unfortunately, the boss, who's my mate who I speak to, said he's away to the doctors with Dad, so he's not going to be there around. I'm just hoping I can go straight back to the garage. He's warned them that I'm coming back. I don't know what they can do though. Cry. Piss me off. Well, I'm in a Mercedes, but it's the wrong Mercedes. This is my dad's Mercedes, because my Mercedes is back in the garage with God knows what. Got till 3 o'clock tomorrow when the ferry is going to get it ready. I don't think it will. I may have to cancel the ferry, change the ferry. I can't get my money back, unfortunately. But we'll see what happens. Absolute disaster, nightmare. So, absolute nightmare day. Should have never bought it. Basically, should never have bought it. Right, let's go from the beginning then. So the day started off positive, left 7 o'clock in the morning, got a bit of traffic. Thought, I hope this isn't how it's going to end up. One of them days, never get traffic in Spain. 40 minutes late for the airport. Although we did set off a little early. Couple of beers in the airport. Nightmare flight over with some prick who leaned against us. 2 trains. Eventually get to the garage. The bonnet's up and I'm like, it's all right. He was actually just charging the battery. However, that's about as good a day I had, because taking it out of the drive, out of their workshop, as soon as I took it out of the workshop, did about 500-600 meters onto the A19 slip, which is like the motorway near us. Accelerated up the hill. Judder was there. It's arguably the same as before. However, no more judder in the center tunnel, which is strange. Although the gearbox has been done. So it is in the garage overnight. First thing, hopefully he's gonna get it straight out. He's gonna have a proper drive of it, proper feel of it. Hoping, well, we are hoping that, because the exhaust is blown, that it hasn't been connected properly, because it has been on and off about 3 times. And he hadn't noticed that before. So don't think that is gonna affect, unless it's a sensor math or either side of where the blow is. I don't know. Could it be a stretch chain? If it's a stretch chain, I'm screwed. If it's a slack guide, then hopefully like a new spring could potentially put that in. Is it turbo? Don't think it'd be turbo. It's unlikely it'd be turbo. Not with the feels like. Do you know what it feels like? The front 2 brakes, ABS, something to do with the traction control every time you accelerate. It's just like pulsating like that from both wheels. It's weird. So we'll see what he comes back with me tomorrow. And hopefully he's going to tell me before midday, so I can at least contact the ferry, put it forward, or put it back. New morning, new day. I'm not holding my breath. Can't afford another car, so I don't know what to do.